Hello.
Hello, you're so cute. What's your name? What's your name? Okay, my name.
My name is Moon.
Wow, so
My name
nice.
is Moon.
Oh, so nice name. My name is Teacher Diane. What is the name of teacher again?
Teacher
My-
Dana.
Wow, very
Teacher Dana.
good. Okay. Are you ready for our lesson tonight? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Have you ate your dinner? Have you ate already?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Did you eat rice?
No. Yes.
Okay, very good. Now we are going to learn about shapes. Do you know the shapes already? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. I like that. What about this one? Do you know what shape is this?
This tape is it square.
Wow, very good. Square. What about the color? What is the color of the square?
The color is the red is green. Green.
Very good. Okay. What about the circle? What is the color of the circle?
The circle. The color of the circle is purple.
Purple. Wow, good job. Okay, what about the yellow shape here? What is the shape of this yellow one? It's yellow, right?
Yellow.
Yellow. What shape?
Heart.
Wow, yellow heart. How do you form your heart? Is it like this? Do you know
Yes.
how to do this one? Wow, very. What about this one? Do you know how to do this?
No.
No. Okay, that's fine. What about this one? Do you know how to do this one? That's okay. Okay. What about this? What shape is this?
Triangle.
Wow, very good. And the color of the triangle is
Red.
red. Very good. Okay, next. This one is the wow, very good. You teacher don't know that one ah. Okay, thank you for teaching teacher the shape of triangle using our hands. Very good. Okay, what about the circle? Can you do it on your hands? Very good. Okay, what about the square? Do you know how to make the square? Ah, that's diamond. That's diamond
No.
here. Ah, very good. Yes, that's right. It's square.
Square.
Wow. Wow. Good job. I like it. I thought that is diamond. I will give you 5 stars because teacher is very impressed. You did it. You did. Okay, what about the next one? Is this color yellow?
No. Blue.
Oh, it's blue. What shape is this?
Blue. Star.
Wow, very good.
Star.
Do you know the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
No.
No? Do you know the okay, I will show you. Do you want to hear it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Do you know that one?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, can you sing it with teacher?
Twinkle, twinkle, little
Little star,
star,
how I wonder
how
what you are.
you are.
Very good. Okay. What about this one? Is this a red rectangle?
No, a purple.
Oh, it's a purple square.
Purple, purple rectangle.
Wow, purple rectangle. Very good. Okay, what about this one? Is this circle?
Oval.
It's oval, and the oval is colored yellow.
No,
Ooh,
color pink.
it's color pink. What is your favorite color?
I like color red and pink and yellow.
Oh, very good. So nice. Teacher's favorite color is red.
Red.
Red. Okay. Now, last one is, what's this?
Diamond.
Diamond. Okay. We can hear diamond in the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, right? Wow. Very good. Good job. Okay. Since you did that one, I will give you 2 stars again. Here. Very good. Okay. Next one. Okay. Do you know how to use the Zoom tools? Okay, in here. This is the shape of a half circle. What's this? Half circle.
Circle. Half
Half.
circle.
Very
Half
good.
circle.
Very good. Okay. Where is the what is the object that has the same shape with the half circle? Is it a banana? No. Is it a chocolate bar?
No.
Is it an umbrella?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, what about this one? This shape is crescent.
Western.
Crescent, and this is what's this?
Western.
Crescent moon.
Western moon.
Okay, does the moon have the same shape with the chocolate?
No.
Okay.
Banana.
Wow, very good. It's a banana. Good job. Okay, what about this one? This has 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4, 5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7, 8.
8.
If it has 8 sides, it is called octagon.
Octagon.
Yes,
Octagon.
it's called octagon. Where is or what object does an octagon have the same shape? Is it a chocolate bar?
No.
Is it the stop sign?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, last shape is this a square?
No. A
What's this?
rectangle.
It's a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Okay, rectangle is the same shape with
Chocolate.
chocolate. Very good. Do you like chocolates, Moon?
Yes.
Yes, I like chocolates too. But after eating chocolates, you have to
Chocolate.
brush your teeth. Very good. Okay, since you answered everything in here, I will give you another 2 stars. Wow. Good job. Okay, next one in here. What is this shape again? I bet this is a diamond. Is this a diamond?
No. Triangle.
Oh, it's a triangle. What object does the triangle same with? Is it a present, a gift?
Pizza.
Wow, is this the pizza?
Yes. No.
Is this the pizza?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like eating pizza?
No.
Do you like eating pizza?
No.
You don't like pizza?
No.
Oh, pizza is very yummy. Why? Okay. Next one. This is a
Square. Square.
square. Okay. Is square have the same shape with the ball?
No.
Is this the
The
envelope?
beep. The beep.
The gift. Very good girl. Oh, gift. Okay, next one is the
Rectangle.
rectangle. Rectangle have the same shape with the ball.
No.
Oh, it's the envelope.
Rectangle.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Wow, very good, Moon. Okay, the circle have the same shape with the egg.
No.
No, where?
The
Where?
ball.
It's the ball. Very good.
Mm.
What shape is this again? Teacher forgot.
Oval.
Wow, this is an oval. Thank you very much. And the oval have the same shape with the, what's this?
Egg.
Egg.
The egg.
Very good. Okay. Teacher will give you again. How many? How many is this? Can you
Three.
count?
Three.
Three. Okay. 3 stars. Count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3.
Very
Three
good. Wow. Okay. Next one is. Ooh, what are these? These are the fruits. Are you eating
Apple.
fruit? Wow, apple. You know apple. Next one.
Lemon.
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 Do you eat lemon?
Yes.
Yes. Is it sweet or sour?
Sour.
It's sour. Very good. What about the apple? Is it salty or sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet. Very good. Okay, this one. This is a
Grape.
grapes. Very good. Do you like eating grapes?
Yes.
Yes, it's yummy. Okay. This one.
Orange.
Orange. Very good. It is called orange because it is color
Orange.
orange. Very good. Okay, next one. What's this, Moon?
This is strawberry.
It's a strawberry. What is the color of the
Strawberry.
strawberry?
The color is the strawberry. It's red.
Red. Very good. Okay, what about the next one?
Mango.
It's a mango. Very good. This
It's a
is,
mango.
yes,
The mango.
this
The
is
mango.
teacher's favorite. This is teacher's favorite fruit. The mango. What about you, Moon? What is your favorite fruit?
I like strawberry and blue and red.
Okay, very good. What about this one? What's this?
Banana.
Okay, what animal does What animal likes to eat banana?
Monkey.
Monkey. Oh no. Okay, next one.
Watermelon.
Wow, it's a watermelon. Do you eat watermelon?
Yes.
Oh, teacher don't like watermelon. Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Oh, yummy. Okay. Next one, last one is
Pear.
a pear. Very good. Okay. If there are fruits, there are, what are these?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Very good. Teacher will give you.
3 star.
Wow. Okay. Count with teacher. 1.
1, 2, 2, 3.
Very good. Okay. If these are vegetables, what is the name of this vegetable? This is a
Carrot.
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 Wow. Do you like carrots?
No.
Very honest, you must eat carrots because it is good for our eyes. If you will eat many carrots, your eyes will get lighter. You will see everything clearly. Okay? Okay. Next
Okay.
vegetable is
I don't
this.
know, teacher.
Okay. This vegetable is what you call a mushroom.
Mushroom.
Okay, very good. Next one, the purple one. This is what you call a
Onion.
yes, it looks like an onion, but this is a beetroot.
Beetroot.
Okay, what about this one again? What's this?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Very good, Moon. Okay, this one again is a
Beet.
beetroot.
Beetroot.
Okay, the green one is
Broccoli.
broccoli. Very good. And the red one is
Tomato.
tomatoes. And this one is
Carrot.
what's this? What's this?
Carrot.
Okay. This is the carrot. If it is orange, it's carrot. If it is color white, that is what you call a radish.
Radish.
Okay. This one is a
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
pumpkin. Very good. We use pumpkin when we are having our Halloween. Do you celebrate Halloween in your country? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Are you wearing a costume?
Mm,
No? Are you afraid of the costumes?
no.
No. Okay. Last vegetable is
I don't know.
this is an eggplant.
Eggplant.
Okay, what vegetable is this again?
Ma mushroom.
Mushroom, very good. This one,
Beetroot.
beetroot. Wow, very good. Okay, if it is white, this is not carrot. What do you call this one? It's radish.
Radish.
Okay, the purple one is an eggplant.
Eggplant.
Radish, eggplant.
Um, Rabbit, eggplant,
Very good. Okay, teacher will give you.
three star.
Okay, count with teacher. 1.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Okay. Oh, in here, do you know the English alphabets? Yes,
Yes.
okay. Can you sing the ABC with teacher? A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D.
D, E, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, N,
D.
Z.
Very good. You know the ABCs already. Okay, if we have alphabets, we have the mommy or the daddy A and the baby A. Okay, do you know there the baby and mommy alphabet? Okay,
No,
let's match. Where is mommy A's baby? Is this mommy A's baby? Is this mommy A's baby?
no,
This one.
no.
This one? Yes, this is mommy A's baby. Okay, what about letter B? Is it this one?
No,
Okay, this one? Is this the baby B?
no.
This one.
Yes,
Yes, very good. What about C? Is this baby C?
yes.
Oh, is
No,
this baby C? Okay, what about this one?
yes.
Yes. Okay, what letter is this?
B,
D. Is this baby D?
no.
What about this one?
Yes.
Yes, good job. And letter, what letter is this?
E,
E. This is baby letter E. Very
yes.
good. I will give you.
2 star.
Okay, let's count. 1.
1, 2,
Okay,
1,
very
2.
good.
Here that.
Okay, after alphabets, we're going to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Very good. What number is this again?
8,
This one?
2,
This one?
6,
This one?
5.
5. Very good. Okay. Teacher will open another book for you because you are very smart. Okay. Let's try this one. We are
Thank you,
going.
teacher.
Yes, no problem. Okay, in here we are going to talk about AR sounds. Okay. What letter is this again?
8,
A.
8,
This one. What letter is this? R. Okay. Letter by letter, every letter they have a sound. Okay, listen very carefully to teacher and then you repeat after teacher, okay? Okay, Moon? Okay? Okay. This is letter C. C have the sound ka, ka.
Ka. Ka.
Very good. What about letter A? A sounds
Ah.
and R sounds r.
R.
R. Very good. If you combine A and R, you are going to form a, r, r,
Ang.
r,
Ang. Ang.
r. Okay. Now that you
Ang.
know the sound of R, you are going to add letter C. What is the sound of letter C again? K.
Ka. Ka.
K plus
Ki.
R is car.
Ka.
Very good. Okay, let's try that one again. What about letter? Wait for a while. What about letter B? What is the sound of letter B? It's
Ba.
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 Very good. Okay, if you are going to add R, what is
Ah.
the sound? B
Ba.
plus R
Ba.
is equals to
Ka.
bar.
Ka.
Bar.
Ba.
Yes. Okay. Let's try that one again. How do you say this one? This is R.
Ang.
R plus K
Ang.
is car.
Ka.
Very good. What about this one? The sound of B is
Ba.
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 Plus R is bar.
Ba.
Yes. R plus
Ka.
B,
Let.
B,
Ba.
R.
Ba.
Bar.
Ang. Ba.
Very good. Okay, you do this one. Okay. W. What is,
W.
yes, what is the sound of W? W,
Ba. Wa.
w.
Wa.
Yes.
Wa.
Okay, if you're going to add R, what is the
Ah.
sound for W plus R?
Wa. Let. Ah.
W, R,
Wa.
war.
Wa. Wa.
War. So the answer is war.
Wa. Wa.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's try that one again.
Ba.
Okay, B plus R.
Ba. Let. Ah.
Okay, bar.
Wa.
R.
Ah.
Bar.
Wa.
W.
Wa.
War.
Wa.
Very good. Okay, please read this one.
Ah.
R.
Ah.
You can do that. R.
Ah. Ah.
R. Okay, sound of B.
Ba.
B.
Ah.
Bar.
Ah.
Very good. Okay. Sound of W.
Ka.
W.
Wa. Ka.
R. War.
Wa.
Very good. Okay. Good job. Teacher will give you
3 star.
3 stars. Count with teacher.
1, 2, 3.
Very good.
3
Okay.
star.
Yes. Thank you so much for your time tonight, Moon. It's nice to see you, and I hope that we are going to meet again tomorrow. It's Monday tomorrow. Okay. You have 5, 10, 15, 20, 23 stars. It's so many. You
Bye
got
bye,
many.
teacher.
Yes, you got many stars than Alpha. All right?
Alpha.
Oh, yes. Goodbye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Yes. Good night.
Good night.